Welcome back to Traveler's Place. Today we're visiting Scotland one more time, a land where rugged cliffs meet rolling green hills and ancient legends seem to whisper through the mist. Our journey takes us to the Isle of Skye, one of the country's most breathtaking and soulful destinations. So buckle up because this adventure begins now, right here on the road from Elgall to Broadford, where mountains fall into the sea and every curve unveils a new postcard scene waiting to be discovered. If you look at a map of Scotland, the Isle of Skye sits up in the northwest, connected to the mainland by a bridge but still feeling like a world apart. It's part of the Inner Hebrides archipelago, surrounded by cold, silver seas that shimmer under ever-changing skies. Driving here feels almost otherworldly. Narrow single-track roads wind through moorlands and small crofting villages with Gaelic names that sound like poetry. Elgall, Torrin, Broadford. The island's landscapes shift constantly, from the jagged Quillian Mountains to peaceful lochs and gentle green pastures where sheep graze lazily, completely unfazed by the occasional tourist passing by. It's this blend of drama and serenity that makes Skye such a magnetic place, one that draws both travelers and dreamers alike. What makes the Isle of Skye truly special isn't just its scenery, it's how raw and real everything feels here. The weather changes by the hour, and you might find yourself caught between a sunbeam and a storm all in 1 minute. The locals often say, if you don't like the weather, wait 5 minutes. And it's true. You'll see 4 seasons in a single afternoon. The culture here has been shaped by centuries of resilience, from the ancient clans who once ruled these hills to modern communities who still hold tight to their traditions. Everything here feels handcrafted, honest, and deeply connected to the land and sea. There is something profoundly moving about driving this short but unforgettable route from Elgall to Broadford. Along the road, you'll pass wide-open views of the Quillan Range, their black peaks cutting sharply into the horizon. You may spot Highland cows, their long coats flowing in the breeze, or tiny cottages nestled against the wind. It's easy to see why Skye often feels like a painter's dream. The colors are softer, almost mystical, from the pale purples of heather to the deep grays of the rocks and the golden glow that blankets everything when the sun breaks through the clouds. Life here runs at its own pace, slower and gentler, as though time itself pauses to admire the view. Travelers often say Skye doesn't just show you beauty, it reminds you how to feel it.
fields around me, where there's nothing but the breeze and the great unknown. Leave your worries and your suitcase. All you don't need, nothing but you. So don't throw your hopes down a wishing well. It's your heart's desire carry you. Come and sail with me to the open ocean, where you don't have to dream because there's you. Nothing around us, just flames in the fire. And through the night they burn like me for you. Covered in wonder, sweet in the silence. Oh, we'll keep running and we'll keep running. Leave your worries and your suitcase. All you don't need, nothing but you. So don't throw your hopes down a wishing well. It's your heart's desire carry you. Come and sail with me to the open ocean, but you don't have to dream because there's you.
Thanks for joining Traveler's Place on this special road trip. If you love discovering the island with us, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future adventures. Hit like if you learned something new and drop a comment below. Let us know what country or city you'd love to explore next. See you next time. And until then, keep traveling.